Hi, I just want to show why we like to rescue animals from bad situations. Some people think that they don't make good pets. This is Romeo. Romeo came from a bad place where he was severely neglected and he was sick, weak, anemic. And look at him now. This is a cat that was not cared for at all where he was. And I just wanted to show people that they do know and appreciate very much when they're rescued. They become fantastic little guys. And sometimes they have their own little quirks, but they make it up by being just fantastic little guys. Just about every rescued cat becomes so appreciative and loving, they even give hickeys, right? So this is it. This is Romeo. This is a kiss. This is not a bite. It's just to show me how much he appreciates everything we did for him. You want to say hi to the camera? No.
How do you zoom in?
The little button to the left. There. Oh yes. Yes, it's a good cat. It's a good cat. No more bad legs for you. No more bad legs. No. Okay. Say goodbye. And if anyone wants him, he's a Dogs and Cats Forever Rescue. Yes. Okay. Yes, it's a good cat.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye.